Points in 3D. Points in 3D refer to location in three-dimensional space type, typically represented by coordinates x, y, and z. 3 points can be used to define the position of object or location in three-dimensional environment. Vector for direction and movement. A vector represents both direction and magnitude in the context of movements, which an object is moving and how far it travels in that direction. For example, 3D space, a vector 3, 2, and -1 could represent movement 3 units along the x-axis, 2 units along the y-axis, and 1 unit in the opposite direction of z-axis. Vectors are crucial in physics, computers, graphics, engineering, and many other fields to describe various quantities such as velocity, force, and displacement. Matrices for geometric data manipulation. Matrices are fundamental tools for geometric data manipulation because they offer an efficient way to perform transformation such as translation, rotation, scaling, and shading in 3D. Graphics matrices are often used to represent transformation of objects in space. For example, a 4x4 transformation matrix can represent translation, rotation, and scaling in three-dimensional space. By multiplying matrices together, complex transformation can be achieved.